Hey fan collectors, it's Hayden here with another video. This is a remake video of one of the other Hampton Bay Holly Springs ceiling fan. It's in the living room of my uncle's house, and and I'm about to demonstrate it. First the light, which looks good. Now we're gonna demonstrate the fan. Alright, here it is on road. Yes, it is in reverse. I don't know why, but it's gonna circulate the heat around the house, and it's starting to warm up the room a bit. Right now for me,
I'm literally gonna vomit, and I still want to eat more, and I'm not.
And this fan is in reverse. Well, I know why, because it's winter.
Okay.
So I it's in reverse still. Emma, stop. Okay? So I'm doing a fan video, okay?
Eating dessert, by the way.
Sorry about that. It's on video. Hang on a minute.
You want to tell them that?
This is gonna be a bit hard. This is gonna be a bit hard to do, so sorry about that.
I didn't dress it. Okay, good.
There we go.
I think everything was, I'm biased.
Sorry about that. This thing broke off, which I don't know why. But it's circulating the heat around. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. It's gonna circulate the heat around the house. And yeah, it's gonna circulate the heat around the house.
I'm not kidding. Right. But the big point isn't.
At least I got the fan on. Oh, I'm gonna shut it off before.
I told you this was something else. I didn't say the word.
Anyway, here's the fan off.
And then see what you do. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna remember that for the future.
Yes, fan
Alright.
spinning down now.
Just note to self,
Spinning down. So see you later, fan collectors. Bye. I did not expect that to happen. So sorry. I'm not doing any more videos of this fan. Bye.